Hi guys, I'm back with another grocery haul. This time we went to an Asian grocery store. It's called A-Mart. It actually sells mostly Korean products, tapos meron din Japanese, and some random Filipino products. So to start with, I got 2 packs of the beef ribeye. So Bulgogi cut siya. So one I'm gonna use for tapa. And then one I'm gonna use for bulgogi. So, $14.74 itong isa. At tapos itong isa is $15. So, syempre it's priced depending on the weight. Tapos, next thing, I got this frozen deep fried spicy seaweed roll. Ito siya. I tasted this already and it's so good. So, parang third time ko na yata ito binili. Ang ginagawa ko dito, tinoto ko lang siya. Tapos, I just fry it in a little oil. Tapos, papapakin ko lang with a little sesame oil. Tapos, konting toyo. Tapos, sarap na siya. Ulam na. And then, next one, we got an assorted fried fish ball. Ito siya. This one cost $5.99. So, $5.99 ito. And then, yung seaweed roll is $5.99 as well. So, this is good for soups. And then, if you want, you can thaw it as well. And then, pwede mong i-fry din sa konting oil. Tapos, papakin mo lang or ulam. Okay? So, hindi marami yung pinamili ko guys ha. Napaka-konti lang. Random lang itong pagpunta namin sa Korean store. Kasi sabi ko, I wanna make bulgogi and tapa. So, we only see this cuts of meat sa mga Asian stores. So, dun sa normal grocery store na pinupuntahan namin, hindi pa ako nakakita ng ganitong cut. Although pricey siya, pero it's worth it eh. Kasi kung 4 kayo for $15, it's well worth your money. And then, bumili din ako ng mung beans kasi I wanna make, ang tawag dito, lumpiang toge. Okay, so ito, $1.79 itong ganito karami. So, not bad eh. And then, I also found the recipe for mackerel na may kimchi. So, I got this canned mackerel. This guy is, magkano ba siya? It's $4.99. $4.99. So, mukhang marami naman eh, kasi nakakita na ako sa YouTube nito. They open this can and marami-rami na rin siya. And then, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we have a maliit na Filipino items dun sa A-Mart. I got this small Barrio Fiesta. Expensive siya. It's also $5.99 para sa maliit na to. Anyways, I've also purchased 2 of the honey butter chips. One for me and one for my husband. $4.99 each siya. Because I've been hearing a lot of YouTubers raving about this honey butter chips. Sabi sa Philippines daw you can buy it at 7-Eleven. Pero when we were there last time, we didn't check and I've heard na wala sila dun sa particular branch ng 7-Eleven. And last but not the least, I got this sweet potato noodles. So, there's 3 in a pack. And they're priced at $4.99. So, it's not bad. So, I use this mainly for making japchae. So, we all know japchae is a famous Korean noodle dish. And it's so good with meat and vegetables. There you go, guys. Yun lang yung ating grocery haul, mini grocery haul sa A-Mart. I hope you had fun. And thank you for watching. Bye!